There's loads of people on the tram today. There's loads more coming. Stood to one side.
Oh, new dress.
There's more coming behind me. Heaven forbid. Joe. How you doing?
Yo! Other things really.
What's going to be next? Horses I expect? So, loads of people rambling on the tram, which is quite good. It's off-road. Doesn't matter where you go. Lots of people walking today. Bikes. I suppose I won't be seeing an e-bike either on the tram. Because people do use a lot of e-bikes these days. Anyway, it's all good. I expect to get to the end and there's somebody be at the end telling them, you know, the history of the tram. Because years ago, I know you can't see it, but this used to be the tram track years ago. From here to Portreath to the coal, many years ago. I'm sure Mark would have said that. I'm referring to the Community XP official himself. He would have said that to you all on his channel. And to all the others as well that I know. Yeah, so this tram used to have a thing on it, like a tram going down 26 miles of it. And Red Roof, it's called Red Roof for one reason is it had a Red River on it, still is there, but and then Roof is the girl's name. That's what they call it, Red Roof, I think. I'm not sure why, but it's all good. Right, is there any more people coming? It's a very busy tram today. Let's press on. Ooh, there's been a few trees here being cut down. Big ones as well, but look at it. Huh. Right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And give me a comment if you want to. If you see anything on the video when I uploaded it. Whatever. Look at that. That's a big tree, that's a big cut. Look at that, it's a massive one. So the big game's on today at 8 o'clock. The question is, watch out, can we hang in there?